This 2019 Forest River Cedar Creek Silverback 37 FLK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Lamoni, Iowa, 50140 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 69 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.